There are so many things you want to arrange, but you don't know how to clean up this mess. So, I have good news for you. With cable ties, you are able to arrange these keys. You no longer worry about losing your keys and the damage it may cause. Put the keys through and close the ties. Cut it with pliers. Put everything in its place. So now you can get rid of the mess. The only downfall is that you have to cut it if you need to get your key off. But zip ties are so cheap and it's not a big deal to replace. You want to fold your towel? Just use 2 cable ties. Close them together and tie neatly. After that, put the towel in the suitcase. This hack is very useful for traveling as the clothes occupy as less space as it can. You want to change your shoe style? Your shoe laces are dirty or busy? So you can make a temporary shoe laces using cable ties. If you have to use your laces for cordage in a situation, replace your shoe laces with 6 to 7 zip ties through each vertical eyelet. After that, cut it off. Most of us rarely untie our shoe anymore, and this is a quick and easy fix. Is this the first time you see this unique style? Want to make handy holders for your smartphone in second to none way within 2 cable ties? Yes, I'm sure you can. Wrap the cable tie around the phone both sides to create a short stand. And go hands-free as you eat, dictate, or watching a clip. It is so durable stand, huh? Nothing is worse than having to choose just a few things to pack in a trip when you easily own many things. This handy little trick will ensure your plug to stay condensed so that you can fit more of them into your suitcase with only 1 cable tie. There are so many life hacks for opening a tie jar lids. I think the best one is probably to get stronger. Now let's see another one. Just take 2 cable ties and join them together and wrap them around the edge of the lid. This might provide just enough extra grip for your slippery fingers to open that lid. You can use this hack for anything with a slippery lid. You want to play some games with friends? Bubble blowing is a fantastic idea. Just form a plastic hole with 1 cable tie. Immerse in condensed both soft mix with water and sugar, then blow it.